The Umar handle clip spot, welding and hole punching line is a compact multi-station system. Finishing can ends with speed and precision. From the in-feed ends transfer to the first station, where a 120mm filling hole is punched. Next, hole edges are curled smoothly, ensuring durability and safe handling. Servo-controlled welding attaches metal or plastic handle clips with exact pressure adjustment. Preheating secures strong joints. Closed-circuit cooling ensures stable performance in long production runs. Operation is simple via a 7-inch touchscreen with recipe settings and real-time monitoring. Finally, a magnetic unit stacks ends vertically for downstream use. Optional modules expand flexibility, edge curling, magnetic stackers, vibration-free feeders, and external water cooling. This single compact line combines punching, curling, welding, and stacking, delivering reliable, operator-friendly performance for modern can making.